Welcome back to EduShield. Today, I, Ashi, your mentor, is going to talk about living in a PG versus hostel. What's best for DU students? Before diving in, I would request you to please like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. So, let's dive right in. So, I'm going to talk about both PGs and hostels, the negatives and the positives, and make sure you make the right choice. So, first of all, we are going to talk about PGs. PGs is basically paying guests. Okay, so I'm going to talk about the positives. पहले positives के बारे में बात कर लेंगे and in the later slides I'll talk about the negatives जहाँ पे मैं आपको कुछ problems भी बताऊंगी जो PGs और hostels के साथ associated है. Okay, so let's begin. Privacy. So PGs typically offer more privacy compared to hostels because एक रूम में कम लोग रहते हैं like one or two, but hostels में there are more people like three or four, so that is a little problematic. And also the rooms are very close in hostels, बहुत पास पास होते हैं. PGs में there's still a little distance, so that is a thing. Okay, then next is comfort. So PGs often provide with better amenities like you can bring your ACs, coolers, and when there is scorching heat, बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी हो जाती है दिल्ली में, तो फिर those ACs and coolers definitely help because the fan से काम नहीं चल पाता है. And also some PGs also allow to bring your own television and stuff. So if you're like bored, so you can watch your TV. The next is flexibility. So PGs generally have fewer rules regarding the curfew time and when do you come back. So that is great for students who want to do internships and part-time jobs later. That will be really helpful. It will be kind of a pocket money stuff, right? Okay. Then next is variety. So there are a pool of PGs from which you can choose a PG that you like, whatever suits your budget and lifestyle. So that is one thing. Um, Next is location flexibility. So you can choose a PG closer to your college in an area you prefer. So not just North Campus, there are PGs everywhere around Delhi. You have colleges, you have, I'm so sorry, you have PGs in North Campus, South Campus, and off campus as well. Whatever is closer to your college, you can choose that. For example, in North Campus area, you'll find PGs in Mukherjee Nagar, Vijayanagar, Kamla Nagar. So that is great. Okay, then next is quiet environment. So less number of people, come shore hoga, and it will help you concentrate better. So that is a plus point for PGs. Okay. ऑल राइट, देन नेक्स्ट इज पीजीज का नेगेटिव के बारे में, नेगेटिव पॉइंट्स के बारे में बात करते हैं. सो हायर कॉस्ट. जब भी वट एवर वी आर मेकिंग अ डिसीजन अबाउट, द फर्स्ट थिंग दैट हिट्स अस इज मनी. So PGs definitely have a higher cost. They are on the more expensive side as compared to the hostels. So if you are opting, especially if you are opting the one with better amenities, like if you are bringing your ACs or TV वगैरह, so you have to pay the bill for that. PGs don't do that often. Okay, then next is limited social interaction. So लोग कम रहते हैं तो आपस में आपकी बात भी कम ही होगी लोगों से. So that is one thing. No college experience. जो लोग हॉस्टल में है, they'll have a bond and everything, like they'll meet beyond the college hours. So and the seniors and the super seniors also live there. So but in PGs ऐसा नहीं हो पाता है. You will find people from different colleges. So and also some people who are working as well. So that is one thing. Okay, then next is variable quality. So PG's ka main factor is the landlord. If your landlord is good, then your PG is good. So it will depend. Some landlords are really good, some are okay, and some are pretty bad. So yeah, then next is food quality. The quality of PG is really bad. Like I've heard my friends always complaining कि खाना अच्छा नहीं होता है, and it is not suiting them and not suiting their taste buds. So that is one thing. Next is security concerns. So PGs की less strict policies होती हैं regarding security and stuff. You might find a warden or a guard, but that's it. Uske beyond there is nothing. So they have less strict, like they have less security concerns. Next is hostels. I've talked about the positives and the negatives of PGs. Now let's do the same for hostels, and then it will be easier for you to make a decision, right? Okay. So hostels कॉस्ट इफेक्टिव तो डेफिनेटली होते हैं क्योंकि ये कॉलेज ही आपको चॉइस दे रहा है. सो दे आर वेरी बजट फ्रेंडली एंड अफोर्डेबल फॉर स्टूडेंट्स. नेक्स्ट इज सोशल एनवायरनमेंट. सो हॉस्टल्स में हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ होता रहता है, लाइक कॉलेज से बियॉन्ड जो भी चल रहा है, कॉलेज की सोसाइटीज का डिस्कशन, इफ देयर इज अ फेस्टिवल कमिंग अप, इफ देयर इज एन इवेंट कमिंग अप, तो वो डिस्कशन हॉस्टल में भी चलता ही रहता है ड्यूरिंग योर मेस, लाइक in your mess, if you are in your room. So that is really good. The next is proximity to campus. Most hostels are located very near, and बहुत सारे hostels तो are located within the college. So that is really helpful कि आप बस उठो and you just leave for your classes rather than getting ready and traveling by metro and bus वगैरह. तो yeah. Next is better food quality. तो hostels generally offer more reliable food quality. They have an entire schedule set up for a week कि breakfast में ये मिलेगा, lunch में ये मिलेगा, dinner में ये मिलेगा. So that is a really good thing. Then next is more security. So hostels typically have better security measures, because अगर कुछ भी होता है तो वो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी कॉलेज की आ जाती है. सो यू हैव सीसीटीवी कैमराज, यू हैव गार्ड्स, यू हैव वार्डन्स एंड एवरीथिंग, एंड इसीलिए ये ज्यादा स्ट्रिक्ट हो जाते हैं बिकॉज responsibilities of college to take care of you guys, right? Next is peer support. So you'll be surrounded by your fellow classmates, your seniors, your super seniors. So that is one thing, and you constantly feel motivated. कुछ भी problem है तो किसी के पास भी चले जाओ, seniors or super seniors के पास, and they'll guide you better. I talked about the positives of hostel. Now it's time for the negatives of hostel, right? So hostels definitely offer less privacy because shared rooms हैं, बहुत पास पास rooms होते हैं, एक ही room में दो या तीन लोग रह रहे हैं, तो less personal space भी होती है, and privacy के ऊपर भी problems है. The next is strict rules. Obviously more people, as I told you before, तो strict rules भी हो जाते हैं, curfews वगैरह. The next is shared facilities. आपको एक बाथरूम मल्टीपल लोगों के साथ शेयर करना पड़ता है, और फैसिलिटीज को भी शेयर ही करना पड़ता है. इफ यू आर फाइन विद इट, गो फॉर हॉस्टल्स. देन नेक्स्ट इज बेसिक कम्युनिटीज. ऐसे आपको कुछ बहुत एक्स्ट्रा वेगेंट या एक्स्ट्रा नहीं मिलेगा. बहुत ही बेसिक चीजें होंगी, लाइक अ फैन और एक बेड वगैरह होगा, एंड मैट्रेस भी शायद आपको खुद का ही लाना पड़ेगा. तो या. देन नेक्स्ट इज लिमिटेड स्पेस. बहुत छोटे छोटे रूम्स होते हैं हॉस्टल्स के. तो आपको बहुत लिमिटेड स्पेस मिलती है जिसमें यू हैव टू पुट योर बेड, देन योर बुक्स एंड स्टफ एंड एवरीथिंग. तो मतलब बहुत कन्फाइंड सी जगह होती है. पोटेंशियल फॉर कॉन्फ्लिक्ट. अभी तो बिगिनिंग है, एवरीथिंग विल बी ग्रेट, बट ओवर टाइम कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स हो सकते हैं, लड़ाइयाँ हो सकती हैं, बिकॉज कोई शोर मचा रहा है और आप पढ़ नहीं पा रहे हो. बट यू कैन डेफिनेटली गो टू द लाइब्रेरी इन दैट केस. बट क्लीनलीनेस के ऊपर, नॉइस के ऊपर, एंड देयर आर अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स जिसके ऊपर कॉन्फ्लिक्ट हो सकता है, राइट? सो या. Then next, this is it. And if you have any problems, any queries, drop down in the comments and we'll help you out. Thank you so much. I hope this new chapter is really good for you. It is a good experience for you. All the very, very best for the people coming to Delhi. You will be having the time of your life. Before that, please like, share, subscribe to the channel.